Okay, students, the second type of question on bill of exchange. This is, as you can see, the heading accounting treatment for bill of exchange for endorsement of the bill. This type of question is for endorsement in a bill of exchange. See the question. Lima draws a bill on Botoka for rupees 3000 against sale of goods on 30th November 2004, payable after 2 months. Botoka accepts the bill. Lima endorses the bill to Naro, who realized the payment of the bill on the due date. Past journal entry in the books of Lima, Botoka, and Naro. Here you see, in last questions only two parties were there. Now here it comes three parties: Lima, Botoka, and Naro. And another word comes, you see, as you can see, the endorse. Here means endorsee is nothing but he is the creditor of first party. Here first party is Lima. Lima owes some amount to Naro. So in bill of exchange there is a terms is that endorsee means in any case instead of giving the amount directly to Naro, the first party can endorses the second party's acceptance bill to the third party, who is also known as endorsee. So here endorsee is the Naro. The entries are similar, see, like the first one which we have solved. See solution journal entries in the books of Lima, who is the seller first, who is also known as drawer. Here on date 30th November he has sold goods to Botoka. So Botoka is the receiver. As you can see, the Botoka account debit. See Botoka account debit with rupees 3000, and he has Mr. Lima has sold goods, so for him it is a sale, so it is 3000 being sold goods to Botoka on credit. Narration. Same date he will receive the bill from whom? Botoka. So that is why bill receivable for his book from he will write bill receivable account 3000 from whom he will receive Mr. Botoka. So this is the Botoka account 3000 being acceptance of the bill received from Botoka. After that, Mr. Lima, what he sees, the endorses the bill to Naro, means he has not kept the bill with him, but what he has done, he has forwarded the bill to Naro. So Naro you will receive the payment of the bill now. So here see on the same date he has forwarded the bill. So Naro is the now Naro will receive the bill of the payment of the bill. So Naro account debit 3000 and he will receive the Naro will receive the bill. So bill receivable account 3000. Endorsement being the bill endorses in the favor of Naro. This is the first party. Now the second party entry will remain same as in the first party's entry. In the first question which you have solved, similarly, see, for Botoka it is a purchase, so he will write as purchases account debit 3000. From whom he has purchased? From Lima, so he will write to Lima account 3000. Narration being goods purchased on credit from Lima. Same date he has accepted the bill, so and he will make the bill, he will pay the bill to Lima, so Lima account debit 3000 to bills payable 3000. Why he will make payment? Because he has accepted the bill, acceptance of the bill given. Now again 2 months time. See, again go to the question. It is the time given in the is 2 months. So if you calculate the date 30 November to 30 December, 1 month, 30 December to 30th January of the next year becomes 2 months. Now you see 2005 because December 2004 finished, so again January. So January 30, 2 months finishes. So as we know, January has how many days? 31 days. So if you add 30 plus 3, it becomes 31. Then February 1, February 2. That is why it is February 2. Bills payable account debit to cash account. Narration will be being amount of the bill paid on its maturity. So being amount of the bill paid on its maturity. Now you may be, the question may arise in your mind that what about the entry he will make payment? Bhutaka is supposed to make payment to Naro. Why he has not written the name of Naro? Always remember, this bill of exchange actually an agreement between Botaka and Lima. So Botaka will not write any entries of third party. Here third party is Naro. So Naro, his agreement is only with Lima. So he is writing the name of Lima only. Okay. That is why he has not written the name of Naro. Okay. Now we'll see the entry in the books of Naro, who is the third party. See, in the books of Naro, who is also known as endorsee. 2004-30, he or she will receive bill receivable account debit 3000. From whom? Because endorsee, Naro's relation is with the first party. Okay, that is Lima. So that is why he or she will receive from Lima. So this is why bill receivable account to Lima account 3001. Why she will receive? If you read the narration, being bill received from Lima against a debt of rupees 3000. Now she will also wait for 2005, same date, February 2002 months. After 2 months, 3 days added, so it becomes February 2, cash account debit to bill receivable account 3000, being payment of the bill received. This is how we solve the endorsement of a bill. I hope you have understand.